Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a captivating ghost effect. First, begin by duplicating your main video layer in After Effects. This creates a separate copy for our effect. Next, carefully use the Roto brush tool to accurately isolate your subject from its background. This step is crucial for a clean ghost effect. Once isolated, pre-compose this rotoscoped layer. This keeps your project tidy and makes subsequent steps much easier to manage, ensuring a smooth workflow. Now let's add the core of our ghost effect, the echo effect. Apply this directly to your pre-composed subject layer. For a distinct trail, set the number of echoes to somewhere between 15 and 30. Then, adjust the echo time to a small negative value, like -0.075 seconds, to make the echoes follow your subject. Finally, change the echo operator to screen or composite in front to ensure the echoes blend transparently with your original footage. To truly enhance the ghostly appearance, refine the echo effect's decay property. A lower decay value, such as 0.7, will make the trails fade more gradually. Next, apply a deep glow effect to give your ghost an otherworldly luminescence, setting the radius to around 289 and exposure to 1.38. Experiment with blending modes like screen or add on your layer to achieve the perfect level of transparency. You can also add a 4-color gradient to introduce shifting, spectral colors, making your ghost even more mystical. For the final touches, consider adding a fast blur or directional blur to soften the ghost's edges, giving it a more ethereal quality. Animating opacity from 100% down to 0 and scale from 100% to 170% can create a compelling disappearing effect. Don't forget to incorporate atmospheric elements like smoke or fog to further integrate your ghost into the scene. Once perfected, save your custom ghost effect as a preset. This will save you valuable time on future projects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.